वेलकम टू दी अंजलि अरोड़ा टॉक शो। मैं अंजलि अरोड़ा करती हूँ आपका स्वागत द अंजलि अरोड़ा टॉक शो में। ये हफ्ते का जो हमारे दोनों एपिसोड्स हैं, जी हाँ, जो ये वीकेंड के सैटरडे और संडे के जो हमारा एपिसोड्स आते हैं वो स्पेशली इस बार डेडिकेटेड है यंग इंडियन फोक आर्टिस्ट कंपटीशन के 12 विनर्स को। जी हाँ, ये 12 विनर्स ऑल ओवर द ग्लोब हैं बिकॉज ये एक इंटरनेशनल कॉम्पिटिशन था। और इस कॉम्पिटिशन के बारे में मैं आपको जरूर बताना चाहूंगी कि ये स्पेशली इंडियन फोक आर्ट को कहते हैं ना प्रमोट करने के लिए कंपटीशन रखा गया था इंटरनेशनल इंडियन फोक आर्ट गैलरी द्वारा। तो चलिए देखते हैं एक झलक इस कंपटीशन की। जिन्होंने ये तालीम ली है अपने माँ बाप से या किसी गुरु से, वो सीख रहे हैं कि एक कॉन्टेस्ट जिसका नाम है यंग इंडियन फोक आर्टिस्ट 2021। इस कंपटीशन में पार्ट लेने के लिए है 10 कैटेगरीज। रीति रिवाज, अपने संस्कार बताते रहते हैं अपने बच्चों को ताकि जनरेशन टू जनरेशन ये चीजें पास हो। वैसे ही मिस्टर सेंथिलविल जो एक फोक आर्टिस्ट हैं और इंटरनेशनल इंडियन फोक आर्ट गैलरी के सीईओ हैं, उनका यह मानना है कि हमें ये फोक आर्ट जिंदा रखना है अपने बच्चों द्वारा, उन्हें बता कर, उन्हें सिखा कर। दर्शकों, ये जो कंपटीशन स्टार्ट हुआ था बहुत टफ हुआ था। जब एंट्री स्टार्ट हुई थी कंपटीशन के लिए, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ऑल ओवर द ग्लोब से पार्ट लिया था। बहुत सारे डिफरेंट कंट्री से, स्टेट से, सिटी से बहुत सारी एंट्रीज आई थी। एंड इवन फ्रेंड्स, जितना मेजर रोल प्ले करते हैं पार्टिसिपेंट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन अ कंपटीशन, उतना ही मेजर रोल होता है जूरी का। जी हाँ, जो जजेस होते हैं उनके कंधों पर होती है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू चूज द बेस्ट वंस। और उन्हें हर तरफ, जैसे ये तो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर कंपटीशन था, तो जो जजेस थे वो भी हमारे बेस्ट वंस थे। तो चलिए देखते हैं उन्होंने किस क्राइटेरिया पे किया ये सिलेक्शन। वेलकम all three of you to my show and it's really an honor कि मैं आप सब great people के बीच में हूँ because you people are great artists. So welcome to my show.
Thank you very much.
Namaste. Thank you.
तो मैं जरूर पूछना चाहूंगी, आप लोगों को मैं छोड़ने तो नहीं वाली नहीं हूँ। आप तो वन्ना जी और सदाशिव सर तो ऑलरेडी बीन ऑन आवर शो। तो आपको मैं बताना चाहूंगी सुभाषी के हमारे शो पे ना मैं बहुत मस्ती करती हूँ और बहुत तंग करती हूँ लोगों को। आई ट्रबल द पीपल, एक्चुअली माय गेस्ट, टू टेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ देम।
But it's good. It's good.
Yeah. So first I will start with Sadaशिv sir. Sir, what challenges you face to select the best children, best artists, young artists?
Challenges were enormous. Actually, lots of people have sent in lot of things. We had to really compromise on many things and shortlist 3 times, 4 times we did. But we got the best of it. And I'm proud to say that many people from so many places are interested in Indian folk art. So, and they have gone very deep into the knowledge of Indian folk art, and they have presented that. And we had a very hard task, really very hard task to find out the best one.
But the task was hard, that's why given to the hard people.
I'm proud to say that 4,000 and more people have joined us. That means we stand amongst them, amongst 4,300 or so, we are all there. All three of us are there. We are not doing injustice to anyone. That's where I'm feeling proud.
Yes, sir. And sir, also I will ask Subhaji to you. Okay, when it comes to kids, we get a bit emotional also. Okay, what they will feel, whether they will feel bad or what. So, is these mood swings you felt when you were taking the decision?
I don't think I had that kind of a fear.
The only thing that I felt was everybody have taken effort to either learn something new for this competition and do a lot of research online or to get information as much as they can and be very authentic. I think their personal journey has been very, very mature, even for the age. Actually, that age did not matter so much when you actually looked at the works. So I don't think that came in as a major factor at all. It was all the work that stood for. Yeah.
When I was talking one to them, जब मैं बच्चों से बात कर रही थी, they were talking so maturely. Like I was thinking कि when we were kids, we were not able to speak. Like we should have thought कि क्या बोलूँगी मैं, क्या करूँगी. But they were so frank in speaking, straightforward they were. So you have chose the best ones actually.
It was amazing because a couple of kids, the way they spoke about how they connected their personality or something part of them in the painting. So it became an original piece of work. At the same time, sharing the experience of even one girl mentioned, I forgot her name. She said that when she gets a chance to go back to India, she would like to go to these villages and actually see these artworks, which is close to her hometown. This is what we want. And like you said, truthfully, when we were young, I don't think we thought so much. Today, with internet, everything is accessible. Everything is accessible so easily. So I think that's a great blessing for all of them. Yes.
Yeah, वंदना जी, I want to ask you कि मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि आप तो नानी हैं खुद, तो आपके तो घर में बच्चे हैं, तो आपका कैसे फीलिंग था जब आप जजमेंट कर रहे थे, आपने जब चॉइस चल रहा था?
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही लग रहा था कि जैसे सारे मेरे ही बच्चे हैं, मेरे ही ग्रैंडसन और ग्रैंड डॉटर है। तो ये मेरे को अच्छा लगा कि हमारी भारतीय कला जो है उसको बच्चे प्यार कर रहे हैं और बड़े लोग जो की सहायता कर रहे हैं। सबसे बड़ी बात यही है, क्योंकि मॉडर्न आर्ट की ओर सब लोग झुके हुए हैं, लेकिन बच्चों ने फोक आर्ट की तरफ ध्यान दिया, उसको स्टडी किया, खोजा, गूगल में जाके खोजा ये आर्ट किस तरह का है, उन्होंने उसको प्रेजेंट किया। सबसे बड़ी बात, जब हम लोग भी उनको लिया तो उन्होंने पूरा उसकी हिस्ट्री जो है डिटेल में बताई हम लोगों को। तो ये चीज और अच्छी लगी, ये चीज उनकी बहुत अच्छी कि उन्होंने पूरा जो काम किया है स्टडी करके किया है, किसी के गाइडेंस में उन्होंने कंप्लीट कर दिया हो, ऐसा नहीं है। तो ये चीज बहुत अच्छी है कि हम लोगों की जो सभ्यता है, हम लोगों की जो फोक आर्ट है, वो अभी भी बच्चे जो हैं इसको फ्यूचर में जाके आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
और जब मैं उनसे बातें कर रही थी, उनसे जब पूछा कि दे सेड कि दे आर नाउ मोर एक्साइटेड, अभी वो और भी सीखना चाहते हैं और भी तरह के फोक आर्ट्स। तो ये बहुत से जरूर पूछूंगी कि कंपटीशन में पार्ट लेना और जज करना क्या डिफरेंस हो जाता है?
पार्ट लेना एक पार्ट है, बट जजिंग करने के लिए यू शुड बी लर्नड and right from beginning you should be able to delete those who are not up to the mark, or we have to judge them. That judging is very difficult because everybody has put in little more of them, and that little more which I like in my lifetime, that little more they have all given.
थैंक यू सो मच आप सबको। और मैं जरूर चाहूंगी कि आप लोग जो एक मेरे शो का हिस्सा बने, मैं आपसे जरूर पूछूंगी, आई विल जस्ट आस्क हाउ यू आर फीलिंग। लाइक अभी इतना आप लोगों के ऊपर बर्डन था टू जज एंड एवरीथिंग, नाउ यू आर इन अ लाइट मूड, समवेयर यू आर प्राउड दैट यू हैव टेकन द राइट डिसीजन। सो आई विल आस्क यू हाउ यू आर फीलिंग नाउ, लाइक आपको जब ये बच्चों को देख के कैसा फील हो रहा है? We'll start from Sadashiv sir.
We were separately doing it. That was very nice thing. That if we were together, sitting together, one person will add up their views on the other one. That's what happens here. So when we 3, 4, 5 judges are sitting together, we impress else or the other, and some injustice may happen, but we did it individually, separately, and that is why this result was very nice, perfect, and
Actually,
to the right person.
there was no influence of each other. It was independent decision.
No interference. No interference.
Yeah. Yeah, Subhaji, I will ask you how you are feeling.
Yeah.
I feel very inspired by the whole process. Like Sadashivji said, we all initially started individually and we finished scoring all the students. And we had a meeting after we've completed our judging. We had a common meeting, and that's when we felt that all of us were in the same page, and we all had agreed on certain qualities of certain paintings, and it was very inspiring to see that the art speaks to all of us, and it was very that experience was really good. And after speaking to the students themselves, while we were sharing during the winners announcement, it was very inspiring to see how much some kids have put in effort. Some of them, the way they are able to articulate, and so much that we have to learn from them. That was really good. So I definitely feel very inspired by this. And I think we have to raise the bar up for the next competition. So I'm thinking about that. Yes.
वंदना मैम, आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा? आपको कैसा लगा?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगा, और मेरे लिए भी एक ये नया अनुभव था। बाकी जो स्कूल कॉलेजेस में जाते समय हमने जो किया करेक्शन वो अलग था, लेकिन इतने बच्चों में से 12 बच्चों को निकालकर और 12 में से 3 को निकालकर थोड़ा टफ था, क्योंकि सभी बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया था। उसमें से भी बेस्ट में से बेस्ट हम लोगों को चुनना था, तो हम लोग चारों ने मिलके विनर्स चुने हैं। मुझे संदेश जी ने पूछा था कि आंटी आप फिर से जज बनोगे कि नहीं। मैंने कहा अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो मेरी जजमेंट तो मैं जरूर बनूंगी। आपके साथ मीटिंग करने में तो और अच्छा लग रहा है।
थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप लोगों से मिलकर, because I will say this is my first experience to meet 3 artists together, 3 great artists I should say. So I'll say on behalf of my team that thank you so much for connecting, because कहते हैं ना कि चेरी ऑन द केक, तो हमारे शो का ये जो आज स्पेशली हम लोग जो फेलिसिटेशन करने वाले हैं बच्चों को, उसके लिए ये वाला जो पार्ट है, इट इज अ चेरी ऑन द केक।
Okay, thank you Anjali.
Thank you
Thank
so
you very
much.
much, Anjali.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to join in this show.
नमस्ते।
तो इस बारे में और जानकारी के लिए बुलाते हैं इंटरनेशनल इंडियन फोक आर्ट गैलरी के सीईओ मिस्टर सेंथिल विल को, जो खुद एक इंडियन फोक आर्टिस्ट है और स्पेशली वर्क कर रहे हैं इंडियन फोक आर्ट के लिए। तो वेलकम करते हैं मिस्टर सेंथिल विल को। वेलकम टू आवर शो सेंथिल सर जी, आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है द अंजलि अरोड़ा टॉक शो में।
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thanks. Very happy to be here. Very happy to be here.
So sir, how is your experience?
See, I was very, very happy. Initially, we were a little skeptical, not knowing if we'll have enough kids who will be interested in folk arts.
Right.
And we did have 10 categories, which you're not sure if kids know about the categories. Will they take the time to go and read about this Indian folk arts? So we had a lot of, let's say, concerns that will it take off? But I think when I look at the complete artwork that we received, we had 125 artwork initially received, and we had to disqualify a few. But I think in the end, the quality of the artwork that we received was very good. And we had a good breadth of categories that was submitted. So overall, I think I'm very happy that our first, let's say, initiative to identify and find talent with kids has been very fruitful, at least very encouraging. So when I look at the paintings and the kids' excitement and parents' support, I think the parents and teachers who have been behind this has been very, very interesting.
So any challenges you have to face during the competition, like?
Yeah, the first challenge was, of course, getting the participation. So I think we had to work on the marketing campaign in a way that we could get the maximum amount of exposure. So there are two things. One, we have to kind of educate the public about the art and then get them excited to participate. So that was a little bit of challenge. Now we have seen, let's say, the response. So probably it'll make it easier next time. The other challenge we had was mainly on the judging part. We did have in the initial guidelines that we will do two types of judging. One is the judges by merit. And then we also want to get public's opinion to see what did they feel. Again, it's one way of creating awareness. And what we found was, even though all the three judges did the scoring separately, individually, we had so many ties. So we had out of this 6-7 categories, we had at least 20-30% tie in scores. So that was almost impossible. So what we had a plan. We said, okay, let's try with the judges. If there is a tie, then of course you're going to bring the public voting scores. And then if that also has got tie, then I had to come in and step in and put the votes. And I didn't want to do that at all. I didn't want to be the bad guy. So luckily, the public voting, we were able to get a good ranking, and that kind of helped overall. That was a little bit challenge, but also it's fun.
Yeah,
I think it's a good start. It's a starting point for us. As a starting point, absolutely, it's a success. But it has to go for many years. I think we need more and more organizations to also do like this. So more people, more organizations start joining hands. It'll help accelerate.
it is rightly said that well begun is half done. So our beginning was good.
We had a lot of support from the parents. Without this parent support, I think it'll be impossible. So parents, and we also have a lot of teachers who are teaching art to kids. They have encouraged kids to participate, which is a very nice thing. So without those things, it's very difficult to achieve what we achieved. So hopefully, with what we've done with this one, the next one, which is planned, hopefully we'll get more people signing up and more artworks on display. And that's how we can create more awareness. So as we keep doing this every year, hopefully we'll get the momentum going.
So as it is said that every coin has two sides. So any negative comments or something you got about because many times the people think that the main motto is to collect the money. They think like that. So anything you experienced like this during this competition?
Yeah, I think it's not negative. I think it's more about I had few parents who are not happy that their kid didn't get the prize. So we made some changes to the initial what we had. We only had the first and second prize. So technically, we only had 4 or 5 prizes to give away. But with the quality of the competition that was coming through, plus we had also, I felt what parents were saying was fair, because you cannot have a child not win because of one point, So what we had to do was we had to create more prizes. So we ended up with almost 20 prizes now, trying to recognize all the kids who did very well. So it was not negative, but it was a feedback that we received, and we thought, okay, maybe it's the right thing to do. Let's encourage more kids, recognize more kids, and that's what we did. So that was probably not negative, but there was something interesting that happened.
Sir, I want to show you the talk I had with them, and I really enjoyed it. And it was not about only art. I have experienced the passion. The more they are, like nowadays, if I say the kids are like more expert, they are more mature than their age. So let's see I will show you what I have done. I have spoke to them, and let me meet.
Yeah, excellent. That'll be nice to see.
And let me congratulate them together.
Excellent. Will do.
Hello, Anvi. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
How are you feeling winning the international competition?
I didn't really think that I would win, but I'm really happy that I did.
So, you know what is meant by Indian folk art, what it is, you know?
Um, not really. I know that it comes from villages, but I don't really know a lot about Indian folk art.
So, are you interested to know? Are you curious?
Yeah,
So, if we introduce Indian folk art as a subject in your school, how you will feel?
I would like to learn it.
That's good. What else you enjoy, Anvi?
I love to do ballet. I do a lot of that,
Okay.
and I also like to read a lot.
What do you read?
I read a lot of mystery stories,
Oh.
like the Harry Potter and etc.
So, anything else you want to share with us?
Um, In art, I haven't really done Indian folk art before, other than in this competition. Because I never really seen it before. I had done different types of art forms by different artists, like David Hockney, like
Okay,
the landscapes, but I never done Indian folk art before, and I like to do it, so I'm gonna do more of it now.
that's it. So, in which grade you study?
I'm in the sixth grade.
Okay. So, online schooling is going on.
Yes. Yeah.
You're loving online school or offline was better?
Going to physical school was much better.
Because you meet friends and everyone. Is it like that?
Yes, but actually, I just transferred to a new school, so I've not met my the friends or the people.
Classmates or not met. So it will be more excitement when you will be going. So, any message you want to say to your friends and family watching us?
Um, Thanks for voting for me because it really means a lot that you all liked my artwork.
So, Anvi, this is your first interview.
Yes,
How are you feeling?
I'm excited, and it's a little weird also. I I could do a cartwheel if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's not enough space for me to do it.
but you have done very nicely. I hope you have not got hurt.
Oh no, I'm not.
That was good. And it's good to see that you are practicing these things also. Girls should be fearless.
I also do ballet, so I'm in the fourth grade of ballet.
Oh, that's great. Want to show us ballet also? Some steps, some moves?
I don't know. So do you want me to?
Okay, it was very nice. And you know, mean this spirit of being someone is saying to do and you do it is the fearless thing. And I love it.
Thank you.
Because many children just shy, they say I can't and all. But I have seen all 12 winners were great.
Thank you.
And it was very nice talking to you. And it was, I will wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Hi, Anvi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
You're good?
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Very good to see you.
Thank you.
And also, you just had your birthday finished. So, how old are you now?
11.
11. Excellent.
Girl.
So congratulations, Anvi, for winning the first prize.
Thank you.
So what did your parents say?
My mother said that my father wasn't here, but my mother said that she didn't really think that I would get the first prize because she thought that Madhumani was also in the same section. So she thought that somebody else would get the first prize. But she was very happy, and even I'm very happy.
Very good. So your mom also paints. She is also artist.
No, she does storytelling.
Okay, good. So do you have anything to ask, Anvi? Do you want to ask anything?
Not really.
Not really. I want to ask you something.
Yes.
I want you to become an ambassador for Indian folk art. I want you to become the ambassador for Indian folk art to promote this with your friends in your school to create more awareness for Indian folk art. So people know about our culture and our art that has been going for the last 3,000 years.
Okay. I can tell everybody.
Yeah, if you can tell even 2 people, that's good. If you can tell 4 people, that's even better. Yeah, the more people know about it, we'll be able to retain and sustain the culture.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
good. And are you ready for the next one?
I don't know. Yeah, I would love to try it out.
Also, Anvi was saying that she has learned about more about Indian folk art after taking part in this competition.
Excellent. So what did you know more? What did you find out?
I didn't know anything about Indian folk art before. So when I researched about Gond art, I found out more information about it, like how it has a lot of culture and tall tales behind it. So it's a lot of storytelling is involved in every painting, and that how it came from the word Gond, which means the green tree. I think the Green Mountain. That's why it has a lot of nature elements in it, like trees.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well said. All the kids in your school know about Gond now, right? Because of you.
Yeah. I have this friend, she loves to make designs, so she would really like Gond.
Excellent. See, that's how you spread. That's how you spread the knowledge. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you
I
so
wish
much.
you all the best.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Yes, Komal. So, how are you feeling winning a international competition?
I'm good. I'm feeling very enthusiastic. I was not actually anticipating that I will win. I will come so ahead. I just randomly participated in this competition, and honestly, I was not really anticipating this kind of achievement.
Not expecting this, you mean to say. Okay, Komal. और क्या करते हो आप और क्या क्या पसंद है करना?
मुझे I like reading books, fiction books,
Okay, fiction
crime.
books.
Yeah.
Crime books. Oh, Bhavan. What do you want to be? CID officer.
No, I actually want to be an architect. Reading is just my hobby. I love
Okay.
reading. It gives me peace of mind.
Wow. Means
Yeah.
so good to hear that because nowadays very rare children are there who likes to read.
Yes.
I hope it's not for impressing me.
No.
Okay. So why Indian folk art? You know what is meant by Indian folk art? Folk art कितने तरह के होते हैं and all.
Yeah, folk art is like Madhubani art. It is from origins from many this states. Like in Madhya Pradesh, they do Madhubani art like that. There are many. So I just mandala art for the competition.
You have done mandala art for the competition. Who helped you? Anyone given you any idea कि ये बनाते हैं when you heard about the competition?
No, I was just browsing in internet for artworks, means Indian folk art. So I just came across mandala. So I like that detailing and it requires more attention and patience. So I just used it.
Okay. So if I ask you, okay, if the Indian folk art is introduced in your school as a subject, how you will feel?
I feel amazing.
You feel
It's
amazing.
something new. Yeah.
Why? Like,
It is not common everywhere now. In many Indian arts are now being forget in many countries. They are not very now common. Like in olden days, they were more used to it and more used to seeing everything. And now there are some when many new technology has come, and so it is being what we say regret, forgetful, and not many of us know about it.
what is your passion? You know what is meant by passion?
Passions means one likes to do something and who enjoys it doing and won't regret by doing it. Means they have fun doing it.
Enjoy it. We enjoy doing passion. So, what is your
Yeah,
passion?
my passion is drawing. I like drawing.
Only drawing,
Yeah,
reading
and my
also.
side by side hobby is reading books.
If it is like I lock you somewhere with nothing but a pen and a paper, what you will do? Drawing is
I'll
not
draw.
allowed.
I will write
What you will write?
my feelings of being locked.
Okay. So, can tell me two sentences about it. Say,
It's so sad being locked in a room without unable to draw something or read books.
okay. So, you are not having that mobile fever that nowadays children are having.
No, not like that. I like to draw and read.
Who else is there in your family?
I have a brother and mother, father, my parents.
Okay. How you are feeling?
Kind of nervous.
Nervous. I can see that. Don't be
Yeah.
nervous, be comfortable.
Yes.
There are no marks on this interview.
Yeah.
So any message you want to give to your friends that apart from being nervous, what you're feeling?
Do what you like and achieve your goal.
Okay. Okay, Komal, it was very nice talking to you.
Thank you.
And I hope you also felt good apart from
Yeah.
being nervous.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Komal.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. So, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling great after winning.
You're feeling great after winning. Excellent. So, tell me something about what happened at home after you learned that you won.
My family, my parents were really happy. They were very glad.
Excellent. So, who is artist in your house other than you?
It's me and my brother does some artwork.
Okay, your brother also. Is it a younger brother or an elder brother?
Younger.
Younger brother. So, what does he do?
He draws dinosaurs and everything, fiction characters.
So, he does pencil sketching and watercoloring or crayons or pastels or
Pencil sketching.
good, very good. So, you got next artist coming through now.
Yes.
So, Komal, do you have anything to ask?
No,
No?
not as particular.
Okay, good. And also, I need to ask you something. I want you to become the ambassador for Indian folk art.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yes.
I want you to go and spread our Indian folk art to your friends in your school so everyone knows about mandala art, they know about Madhubani, they know about Gond, and more people start exploring and learning if possible, like
Yes,
you
I'll do it.
can do that. Excellent.
So
So
congratulations.
wish you all the best.
Yes, thank you.
Take care.
Yes,
Take care.
Yes, so audience, here we are with Pranav Gaur. Yes, Pranav, tell us something about you, your introduction.
Oh, yes, ma'am. So my name is Pranav Gaur. I'm 15 years old, and I study in class 11th, and I'm doing PCB right now, and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I'm studying in Camelot World School. So my hobbies are painting. I love drawing. I love dancing. Also, I love writing also. Actually, मेरे मुझसे पूछा जाए कि ड्राइंग पेंटिंग तुम्हारे लिए क्यों मेरे एक्चुअली बचपन से मैंने अपने मॉम को देखा है पेंटिंग करते हुए और मैं ना उनको देखते हुए इंस्पिरेशन भी मिली पर मुझे खुद में भी एक क्या कहते हैं एक फीलिंग आई कि एक पेंटिंग करो है ना तो आई यूज्ड टू डू पेंटिंग और मुझे अच्छा भी लगता था एक अलग सी फीलिंग आती थी आई यूज्ड टू फील सो रिफ्रेश जब भी मूड खराब हो रहा था तो आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू टेक माय ड्राइंग पैड टेक माय पेंसिल एंड स्टार्ट ड्राइंग और इट हैज बीन एन इंडिस्पेंसेबल कंपोनेंट ऑफ माय लाइफ टिल नाउ अब जैसे कि जैसे अब 10th 11th में तो थोड़ा छूट गया था बिकॉज बहुत ही हेक्टिक शेड्यूल हो जाता है पढ़ाई का
अभी क्या करते हो आप?
पर कोई yes, अभी तो मैम अभी स्टडीज चल रही है साइड बाय साइड
तो लेकिन मैं पूछूंगी प्रणव आपसे कि वाई इंडियन फोक आर्ट, तो मैं जानना चाहूंगी रीजन।
मैम सबसे पहले मुझे पूछा जाए यू नो folk art क्यों एक्चुअली मैं ना हम एक्चुअली आई लाइक ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ आर्ट ओके नो ऑफेंस टू ऑल ऑफ देम बट मुझे इंडियन folk art इसलिए पसंद है क्योंकि वो मेरे इट्स क्लोज टू माय हार्ट वो इसलिए क्योंकि हमारे इंडियंस का जो डेफिनेशन है ना उसमें कहना कि इंडियन folk art का योगदान है ठीक है when we go to foreign go to abroad and we say you know I drew this painting and they're in awe the foreigners are in awe okay so that makes our own unique identity है ना कि ये इंडियंस की आर्ट है और इतनी रिच बिकॉज हम लोग जो है ना अपने आइडियाज को हर एक किसी न किसी फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करने की कोशिश करते हैं whether it's art form whether it's music whether it's dance and India is indeed famous for everything है ना तो इंडियन फोक आर्ट तो मुझे पहले से अट्रैक्ट किया है जैसे बचपन में फेस्टिवल्स होते थे तो आई यूज्ड टू सी मेनी थीम्स यू नो जैसे दुर्गा पूजा में काली घाट पेंटिंग हुआ करती थी वो इतने अच्छी बनाते हैं यू नो बंगाल दुर्गा पूजा में आइडल जो होती है बाकी बहुत सुंदर होती है देन वी हैव कलमकारी आर्ट देन गोंद देन मधुबनी तो इतने अच्छे अच्छे पेंटिंग्स है जो लाइक फॉरेन में बहुत ही ज्यादा एक अलग ही एक्साइटमेंट से लोग खरीद रहे हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि हमें भी रिस्पेक्ट देनी चाहिए अपनी फोक आर्ट को और इसने इसने हम मुझे क्या लगता है जब मैं फोक आर्ट को देखता हूँ ना तो मुझे ना कलर्स नहीं दिखते हैं मुझे वो शेप्स नहीं दिखते हैं मुझे अपनी इंडिया की हिस्ट्री भी दिखती है अपना कल्चर भी दिखता है अपना रिलीजन भी दिखता है एक तरीके से है ना बिकॉज वो मतलब इतना डीपली रूटेड मैं फील करता हूँ अपने आप को कि मैं कहता हूँ जय हिंद आई फील प्राउड एज एन इंडियन व्हेन आई सी माय फोक आर्ट
आई से बहुत मैच्योर बातें कर रहे हो आप बहुत अच्छा मतलब यू आर सेंसिबल यू मीन आई मीन कि आप बहुत सोचते हो इज इट लाइक दैट
और मैम ये सभी कहते हैं पर मुझे लगता है कि जी मैम
यू बिलीव इन परफेक्शन एंड लाइक अच्छे जो मम्मियों को चाहिए होता है एकदम अच्छा सा बच्चा
Yes.
Do you watch Bollywood movies?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your favorite?
My favorite Bollywood movie, I like Manikarnika. It's a good movie. I have also liked Bahubali is also one of my favorites, and I like historical movies a lot. Not the other time.
Full of Indian culture.
Yes, ma'am.
Full of Indian culture. Your favorite?
No. There are many movies. Yeah, I also loved the movie Uri. Also, it was a very good movie. Yes, those are movies that I actually like. I have you heard this Bajira Mastani's Gajanana song?
Yeah, I've heard.
Yeah, so it's one of my favorite songs. I can sing that.
Yeah, please.
Okay. सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटिशेंदुराची कंठे झरके मार मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव लंबोदर तू विनायका तू बल्लालेश्वर मोर्या विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंतु मयूरेश्वरा मोर्या गजानना गजानना गणराया. This is the part I know.
That's good. Where you see yourself after 5 years?
I see myself in a big hospital, being the director of the hospital and being a good doctor.
Okay, you want to become a doctor.
Yes.
What type of doctor? Which part of doctor?
Actually, I want to be a cardiologist also, and at the same time a therapist.
Okay. And you are sincere. I wish you that you will succeed in that. I think so.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And have you ever been interviewed like this?
नहीं मैम कभी ऐसा इंटरव्यू नहीं हुआ. It's my first time.
So how are you feeling? कैसे लग रहा है?
I'm feeling very excited. It's a new experience for me, so I'm of course very excited and I'm happy also. कि first time interview हो रहा है.
So anything else you want to give any message to your friends or something who are watching you?
Yes, ma'am. I would request everyone to stay safe in this COVID-19 time because it's a very hard time for all of us, and it's expected that the third layer of COVID-19 will be soon be coming. So I would request everyone to wear a mask, a double mask, get sanitizers on the way, and of course stay safe, good, be healthy. Okay, stay safe and healthy, and love yourself, love your family, and the whole world.
Hi, Pranav.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm fine too, sir.
So tell me how you're feeling.
I'm feeling very, very elated. Actually, I'm feeling elated. Yeah, that's the word I can use right now. Exhilarated.
So what is your feedback from your friends and family?
They congratulated me. They said the painting was good, and judges also. I would really thank the judges for their wonderful comments, which actually made me reflect on myself in the painting also. And yes, I got my passion for drawing became more at a higher level by this.
Excellent, excellent. So you did say during the last session that we had that you had a very, let's say, close affiliation with Kalighat paintings, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, Kalighat painting, because I back in Gurugram when I was there, I used to participate in a lot of cultural activities there, and one was Durga Puja. So we know that the Bengal art is famous. The Bengal, when we say about Bengal, so Kalighat art comes to our mind.
And I think a lot of people don't know about Kalighat painting. So it's also it's a very good way of promoting the art, so that more and more people understand and they can start enjoying the art and also learning the art. I think that's very important. So I'm very happy to see. We only had one Kalighat painting in the entire competition. So that was you. So that was very nice.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
So which means you also have a responsibility. You need to, as an ambassador now, as a winner, you automatically become an ambassador for Indian folk arts. So you need to go and promote Kalighat paintings to a lot of your friends and people you meet. So they understand the art and we can kind of take this to next generation.
It's my pleasure, sir. The 21st century needs to know its culture and need to be rooted as well to its traditions and customs, because that is the only thing which makes India unique in its own identity. So yes, sir.
Absolutely. Well said. All right, do you have anything to ask, Pranav?
Not right now, sir. I'm having no thoughts in my mind right now.
Yeah, we'll be sending the certificates via email. Just waiting for this program to finish. So we'll be doing that and sending the prizes also after this event is done. So I wish you again all the best and congratulations again, Pranav. Take
Thank you,
care.
sir. Thank you for blessing, sir.
Pranav, it was nice talking to you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your blessings.
Hello, bye. Hello, Bala. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Don't be nervous, Bala.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me something about you. What do you do? What are your hobbies?
My hobby is to play badminton, football, and cricket,
That's good.
and mridangam.
And what else? What else you enjoy?
Play musical instrument, mridangam, ma'am.
Okay. So, you said you play musical instrument. Can you play
Yes,
for
ma'am.
us?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Very nice. How you thought of learning this thing to play?
Ma'am, my mother has been joined in the class. My mother's friend was doing this class, ma'am. And yeah, they only taught my mother yoga, ma'am. So only I joined there and I got taught this, ma'am.
Okay. What is the one thing you like best about the study?
Studies. If you are continuously reading, it will be go interest.
Okay. Which is your favorite subject?
Max.
What do you think about the Indian folk art?
First time I'm joining like this program.
Okay. And how you are feeling being a winner?
Just been very happy and proud to my mother.
Are you always silent like this, or you are violent also sometimes?
Sometimes
Sometimes violent.
if somebody
makes-
come,
Yeah. What are you saying?
if somebody comes means to fight means first I'll be not be so angry, ma'am. If they've been scolding means I'll be get more angry.
Means if someone scolds you in a wrong way, you get angry.
Yes, ma'am.
Who inspired you to do Indian folk art?
No, my mother only, ma'am. They gave information from school, ma'am.
Okay. So, if you think like if this Indian folk art is introduced as a subject in your school, how about it? How you feel it?
I will first join in that group.
Means you want to learn more.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good, Bala. And anything else you want to say to your friends who are watching us?
If we are not believing us means we can't achieve anything.
That's
There should
good.
be
Means
confidence on us.
Yeah. Bala, I wish you all the success in your life. And always I would say, okay, please, if you want to learn Indian folk art more, you should.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It was very nice talking to you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you feeling?
Good, sir.
Good.
Bala, you want to share your feelings? You won a cash prize.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you going to go do with the cash?
Mm. My mother told I'll buy one cycle and give, ma'am. She is not buy, ma'am. I'll give that money and tell to buy and give.
That's a nice idea.
That's a good idea.
So, what do you want to say about your journey, Bala? This competition.
It is very interest and very tough, sir. I thought I'll come on.
I want to ask: is anyone else drawing in your house? Your father, your
My
mother,
mother, ma'am.
your mother. Okay. Okay, good. So she must be very happy.
Yes, sir.
So what does she do?
Teacher, sir.
What kind of drawings she does?
My mother drawn a human face and some designs and started to painting in black color.
Okay, excellent.
Good.
Very good. So Bala, congratulations again. I wish you all the best and hope to see you in the next one.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care, Bala.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. My classes just got over. I had a lot of fun with my friends and all. So I'm doing pretty good.
That's good.
Feel about
How you
it.
define yourself in one word?
In one word, I would call myself enigmatic.
Okay. So can you tell our audience what is meant by that?
Enigmatic is some sort of mysterious. Like it's a fancy word for mysterious, and yeah.
So what is your passion?
My passion as in hobbies.
Yeah. What do you like to do? What do you love to
I
do?
like to play the piano. I spend a lot of time nowadays learning some new songs.
Okay. You wish to play something for us, for our audience?
Right now?
Yeah.
Sure. Dad will just connect it and by then I will play it.
So audience, Aditya is going to play something nice music for us. I'm very excited to hear. और audience मुझे पता है आप लोगों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Yes, Aditya, over to you.
Yeah, sure. I'm starting now.
Wow. इंडियन फोक आर्ट के बारे में आपका क्या विचार है?
मैं बचपन से इंडियन फोक आर्ट के साथ बहुत एक्सपोज हुआ हूँ. मैं मम्मी पापा के साथ बहुत ट्रैवल करता था. मैं बहुत सारे जगह पे जाता था, तो सारे म्यूजियम्स में जाके देखता था, तो उधर का लोकल फोक आर्ट मुझे बहुत दिखता था. और मेरी मम्मी भी बहुत सारे पेंटिंग्स करती थी, राजस्थानी मिनिएचर और मैसूर गोल्ड पेंटिंग्स वो सब करती थी. तो मुझे बचपन से बहुत एक्सपोजर था. और जब मैं दो तीन साल पहले मैं पहली बार फोक आर्ट ट्राई किया था विद राजस्थानी मिनिएचर पेंटिंग. एक कैमल बनाया था मैंने, और उसके बाद बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. और फिर अभी मैं यंग इंडियन फोक आर्ट कॉम्पिटिशन के लिए एक चेरियल फोक आर्ट करके एक फोक आर्ट नया ट्राई किया, तो उसके लिए मुझे ये प्राइज मिला है.
तो तुम्हें एक्सपेक्ट था कि यू विल विन?
मुझे पता था कि मैं टॉप 3 में तो पक्का आऊंगा, पर आई वाजंट श्योर अबाउट टॉप 3 में कौन सा पोजीशन आऊंगा.
But your confidence level is very good. I can see that.
Thank you.
So, any message you want to say to your friends and family watching us?
I would like to say that just whatever happens, you have to take the positives from it and you have to stay happy, not to let the negative parts bring you down.
Wish you all the best for your 10th also and future also.
Yeah.
Hi, Aditya.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you very much. I see a big smile on your face.
Yeah. I like
So
to
tell me
smile.
why you're smiling.
I just like to smile.
He's very straightforward. Whatever you ask, now he's having a straight answer.
Okay. So I want to talk to you because you know that you are the highest score,
Yeah.
like you said. In the entire competition, you are being judged as the highest score, both by the judges and also the public. So for me, it's a great pleasure to welcome you to this show and also to congratulate you for what you've done. Okay. Now, how will you become ambassador for folk art? With your own group, your own buddies, your own friends, your own school, how can you help?
I can promote folk art in my class by various methods. Like I can encourage my friends to do it. Like for example, there are a couple of my friends who are already interested in art, and like they are sometimes they text me asking for details about the drawing competition, and also my friend circle, the people around me are already pretty much interested in art. Still, if I had to do something, I would lead by example. I would show them some of the art pieces which I have made, the folk art which I have made, and then I would make sure that they will also like what I've done and take it up as a hobby themselves.
Excellent, excellent. So who else does art in your house, in your family?
My mother does.
Your mother does. Okay.
My mother does, and my little brother is also learning.
So what does your mom do?
My mom has done Mysore gold paintings, and then she's also done a lot of miniature paintings. She also does Thuli art. She's learning.
Thuli art. Very unique art. So that's excellent. It's a completely different style of good. So I'm hoping that you will join the next one, the next competition.
Yeah, sure, definitely. I will, and I'll share the registration link with some of my friends as well.
Yeah, good. Then I'll see you next time.
Yeah, sure. Bye.
Bye. Take care. Yes, Samriddhi. So tell me something about you, Samriddhi. अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ हमें और हमारी ऑडियंस को.
My name is Samriddhi. Namaste, ma'am. My name is Samriddhi, and I am from Pandharpur. It is in Solapur district, and I am studying in 8th standard. And my school name is Aryan Public School.
Okay, great. समृद्धि मैं आपसे जरूर पूछूंगी कि how are you feeling being a winner?
I am feeling very happy.
So it's a big achievement. उसके लिए आपको congratulations. और समृद्धि मैं आपसे जरूर पूछूंगी why Indian folk art? मतलब Indian folk art आपको क्यों पसंद आया?
Indian folk art, nature drawing.
Okay, nature drawing. और आपको पता है Indian folk art एक्चुअली में कितने तरह का होता है?
उसके बारे में मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं था.
40 प्लस, पता है 40 प्लस तरीके होते हैं इंडियन फोक आर्ट के टाइप्स होते हैं. बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स होते हैं इंडियन फोक आर्ट के. बताओ व्हाट आर योर हॉबी?
ये मेरा पहला कॉन्टेस्ट था.
ओके, ग्रेट. और ये पहला इंटरव्यू भी होगा?
यस मैम.
तो हमेशा लाइफ में याद रखना कि पहला इंटरव्यू अंजलि अरोड़ा के साथ हुआ था.
ओके मैम.
मैं बुझूंगी. बोलो व्हाट यू आर सेइंग?
I don't have the class, so I don't have much ideas.
Okay. So तुम्हें पता होगा कि इंडियन फोक आर्ट में तो आप वो वेबसाइट से सीख भी सकते हो घर से ही. There are very much self-learning courses.
Okay.
तो आप वहां से घर बैठे ही सीख सकते हो इंडियन फोक आर्ट. ओके, और क्या पसंद है? यू नो व्हाट इज मेंट बाय पैशन? पैशन क्या होता है पता है?
यस,
क्या होता है?
पैशन हमारे अंदर का यूनिक और हॉबी भी बोल सकते हैं ना।
जो जो चीज हमें करने में मजा आए, जो फन
Yes.
मिले। तो आपका
Yes.
क्या पैशन है? ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने ड्राइंग कंपटीशन जीता है तो आपको ड्राइंग ही बोलना है, आप कुछ भी बता सकते हो।
Making art and crafts, acting, writing skills, and reading and cooking.
ओके, व्हाट यू कुक? क्या बनाते हो स्पेशल?
I make sandwich and Maggie and
जंक
जीरा
फूड?
rice.
अच्छा, वो जो फास्ट फास्ट बनता है वो सब बना लेते हो मीन्स।
Yes.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू? हु आर देयर इन योर फैमिली? फैमिली में कौन कौन है?
My father, my mother, and my 2 sisters and grandmother.
ओके, ग्रेट। तो मतलब बहुत सारा गाइडेंस है आपके घर पे एक्चुअली में।
Yes, ma'am.
और कौन करता है ड्राइंग घर पे? कोई आर्ट करता है? आर्ट वर्क कौन करता है?
मेरी मम्मी भी अच्छा कर लेती है art.
ओह वाओ। तो मम्मी ने आपको इंस्पायर किया होगा पार्ट लेने के लिए?
Yes. Father also.
ओह गुड। तो और क्या पसंद है? आप बॉलीवुड मूवीज देखते हो?
Yes.
अच्छा, कौन
I
पसंद
love
है?
to.
हु इज योर
Yes.
फेवरेट?
Shahrukh Khan.
Oh, then I will pinch you that because Shah Rukh Khan is my favorite also. तो शाहरुख खान का कोई गाना होना चाहिए ना? चलो साथ में गाएंगे। कौन सा गाना पसंद है शाहरुख खान का?
तुम्हें देखा तो
हाँ, कम ऑन,
DDLJ.
चलो गाओ।
तुम्हें देखा तो ये जाना
लाइक दैट, तुझे देखा तो, तुझे देखा तो ये
तो
जाना
ये जाना सनम के प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम, यहाँ से कब कहा जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम।
वाओ। क्या बनना है आपको?
I want to be a doctor.
डॉक्टर? ओके, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डॉक्टर? भी बहुत सारे टाइप्स के होते हैं।
Brain.
अच्छा, ब्रेन डॉक्टर, वाओ।
Yes.
दैट्स ग्रेट।
Because on 2015 my father मेरे पापा कोमा में थे और उन्हें ब्रेन का ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ था।
अच्छा,
तो वो सीरियस थे, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं भी बड़ी होकर डॉक्टर ही बनूंगी ब्रेन की।
वाओ, ग्रेट थॉट, बहुत अच्छा सोचा। और इंडीड बहुत जन ऐसे होते हैं लाइक जो एक्सपेंसेस हो जाते हैं ऐसे सब, ब्रेन वगैरह के, ब्रेन और हार्ट का कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो उनको बहुत खर्चा आता है। तो ये बहुत अच्छी
Yes.
थॉट है तुम्हारी। गुड।
थैंक यू मैम।
और समृद्धि, और क्या पसंद है आपको?
I want to do I love to do wall hangers, craft.
ये समृद्धि,
ये मैंने फादर्स डे के लिए बनाया था मेरे पापा के लिए।
वेरी
ये
नाइस।
स्क्रैम्प
वाओ, नाइस, बहुत अच्छा बनाए। कितना टाइम लगा आपको ये बनाने में?
1 डे।
1 डे। पापा खुश हो गए होंगे बहुत।
यस मैम।
वाओ, अरे वाह। वाओ, very nice. I will clap for this.
थैंक यू मैम।
Keep it up.
थैंक यू मैम।
कभी भी क्रिएटिविटी को वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, यूज करते रहना चाहिए।
ओके।
और
एंड
I learn.
स्पीक इन
I
हिंदी,
improve my hand.
हिंदी में बात करो, अच्छे से मस्त लगेगा, हिंदी में बात करो।
और मैंने मेरी हैंड राइटिंग इम्प्रूव कर दी।
मैं एक क्वेश्चन करूंगी कि अगर तुम्हारे स्कूल में इंडियन फोक आर्ट क्लासेस एक्स्ट्रा सब्जेक्ट डाला जाए तो कैसा लगेगा?
I feel very happy. क्योंकि हमारे स्कूल में कंबाइन करके मतलब सर सिखाते हैं हमें।
अच्छा,
हाँ, और फिर सभी बच्चों को हेल्प होगी ना।
और समृद्धि, कैसा लग रहा है हमसे बात करके, इंटरव्यू देके कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे पहली बार तो ये लगा ही नहीं था कि मैं इंडियन फोक आर्ट के लिए सिलेक्ट हो जाऊंगी, और
Okay.
फिर संतोष सर के मेल आने लगे, फिर मुझे पता चला कि मैं भी सिलेक्ट हो गई हूँ, और फिर बाद में इंटरव्यू वगैरह मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, और मेरे पेरेंट्स को भी।
नमस्ते मैम।
नमस्ते, कैसा लग रहा है आपको? आपकी बेटी विनर हुई है, इधर इंटरव्यू दे रही है।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, ये बहुत खुशी की बात है, और इसका क्रेडिट आप सभी, आपके सभी टीम को जाता है।
उसकी मेहनत की है, मतलब टैलेंट है ना, वो कभी छुपता नहीं है, जब बाहर आता ही है और सही पहचान मिलती है।
नहीं, उसमें टैलेंट है, ये आपने दिखाया है। ये बात है, ये जो आप मेहनत कर रही है, कोशिश कर रही है। लॉकडाउन में बच्चे घर बैठे बहुत बोरिंग हो गए थे, और
जी।
ऐसे में आप जो सभी बच्चों को इंस्पायर करती है, कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिलता है, बातचीत करने को मिलता है, उनमें इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, और मैं अपने परिवार की तरफ से आप सभी को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ।
हमारा भी बहुत बहुत सौभाग्य है कि हम लोग को पता चलता है कि छोटे छोटे बच्चों में इतना टैलेंट है, और कहीं ना कहीं लॉकडाउन की वजह से ही पूरी दुनिया एक तरह से ज्वाइंट हो गई है।
ऐसा नहीं है कि कोरोना ने सब बुरा ही किया है, ऐसा नहीं है। कोरोना की वजह से हम स्वच्छता का महत्व जान गए, हम पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट का महत्व जान गए, हम सभी आरोग्य कर्मचारी, सफाई कर्मचारी जो वर्कर होते हैं, उनका भी महत्व हमारे ध्यान में आ गया, और हमारे देश के लोगों को सफाई का महत्व अच्छी तरह से ध्यान में आ गया। सब लोग हाथ धोने लगे, मास्क पहनने लगे, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग।
सही बात है। थैंक यू सो मच, आप लोगों से मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
हमें भी अच्छा लगा, और मैं एक बात यहाँ पे कहना चाहता हूँ कि मुझे बेटियां ही हैं, तो मुझे बहुत ही गर्व है, अभिमान है कि मुझे बेटियां ही है, क्योंकि मैं एक कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। ईश्वर ने मुझे मेरे घर बेटियां दी, कुछ तो मेरा सौभाग्य रहा होगा, कुछ पिछले जन्म का होगा या कुछ पता नहीं, लेकिन मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अपनी बेटियों को। और मेरी बेटियां नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिनके घर बेटियां हैं, वो सभी बेटियों में टैलेंट छिपा है, सिर्फ पहचान करने की जरूरत है। तो सौभाग्य है हमारे कि हमारे घर बेटियां हैं।
जो लोग हमारे ये प्रोग्राम देख रहे हैं, प्लीज ये थिंकिंग छोड़ दो कि बेटा बेटी कम ज्यादा होते हैं, क्योंकि दोनों समान होते हैं, और काफी कुछ लड़कियों में भी बहुत टैलेंट है, और आजकल तो दुनिया बहुत आगे बढ़ गई है। आपकी बेटी ने इतनी छोटी उम्र में इंटरनेशनल कंपटीशन जीत लिया।
नहीं, अभी मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि अभी तक वो सिर्फ 8वीं कक्षा में है, और मेरी दूसरी बेटी, ये दोनों ने मिलकर अभी तक 70 सर्टिफिकेट्स जीते। 70, वो मैं आपको दिखा सकता हूँ अभी भी। मेडल 70 है, 70 सर्टिफिकेट्स है। और एक बात मैं पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ कहना चाहता हूँ कि मुझे अभी तक एक भी सर्टिफिकेट मेरे स्कूल लाइफ में या कॉलेज लाइफ में कभी भी नहीं मिला, लेकिन मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मेरी बेटियों ने वो जो
असर पूरी कर दी वो लोगों ने।
असर पूरी कर दी है, इस बात की बहुत खुशी है मुझे।
थैंक यू सो
तो-
मच, आप लोगों से मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा और कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन वंस अगेन समृद्धि।
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू मैम।
Samruddhi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Excellent. So is that your sister behind?
Yes.
What's her name?
Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, okay. She also does artwork. She does painting as well.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. See, first of all, I want to thank you and for participating. Also, congratulations for winning the prize in your category, third prize. So very well done. So how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling very happy, and all teachers and my classmates and my parents are very proud of me, and they have made separate notice board for me in the school and have attached all the judges' pictures and mine.
Excellent. Well done. Wow, very good. So congratulations to all to your teachers and your school and your parents, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Tell your school to have a subject, Indian folk art, in your school.
Yes, sure.
And I also want you to become ambassador for Indian folk art. I want you to look for how to create awareness with your friends and all the artists and the families to know about Indian folk art. Okay?
Yes, okay.
समृद्धि, आज सर इस कह रहे हैं कि आपको सबको बताना है, अपने सब फ्रेंड्स को, कि इंडियन फोक आर्ट सीखो, बिकॉज ये हमारे इंडिया का कल्चर है। और अभी हमारा बहुत जल्दी कंपटीशन और भी आने वाले हैं, तो उसमें वापस पार्ट लेने वाले हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
एक बार और अच्छे से कोशिश करना।
Yes, yes.
Excellent.
Congratulations once again from all of us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thanks for joining.
Thanks, Samruddhi. Take care.
तो फ्रेंड्स, ये तो हुआ हमारा आज का एपिसोड, जो कि आज सैटरडे का एपिसोड। और आपने देखा कि ये तो सिर्फ आपने आधी पिक्चर देखी है, सिर्फ 6 विनर्स को आप मिले हैं और बाकी के 6 विनर्स को मिलना बाकी है। और सोच लीजिए कि आज सिर्फ हाफ पिक्चर में इतना मजा है, तो ऑलवेज पिक्चर में तो ब्रेक के बाद और ज्यादा मजा आता है। तो हम लेते हैं एक ब्रेक और फिर मिलेंगे कल बाकी के विनर्स के साथ, और चंदू सर से भी और उनके प्लान्स एंड ऑल पूछेंगे, ताकि पता तो चले और क्या हो रहा है। तो चलिए जाती हूँ मैं, और फिर मिलेंगे हम संडे एपिसोड में। और प्लीज आना मत भूलिएगा, कभी भी आधी पिक्चर नहीं देखनी चाहिए, बाकी की पिक्चर देखने कल जरूर आइएगा। फिर मिलेंगे यहीं पे, कहाँ पे? वीडियो शॉर्ट्स एंटरटेनमेंट के चैनल पे, जहाँ होती है बातें उनकी जिनकी क्या बात है। बाय बाय।